Ripple has defeated SEC. What does this mean for court? XRP to $80,000. Ripple has won another small victory in this case, but most of all this victory is important for XRP holders. Judge Annalisa Torres forbade the SEC to seal her objection to the participation of XRP holders in the case, namely the opportunity to submit her brief to the report of SEC expert Patrick Doody. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. In his expert report, Doody stated that investors bought XRP in the hope that Ripple's activities would bring them profit. This caused criticism from XRP holders, who rightly noted that Doody probably did not talk to any investor. Therefore, the well-known lawyer John Deaton, on behalf of more than 67,300 investors, has now filed a letter with the court asking to take into account the opinion of the owners of XRP. After that, the SEC announced its intention to prevent this. Yesterday, Ripple filed its response to the SEC's motion against Amici's request to participate in the hearing and seal objections. #XRP community #SECGovV #Ripple #XRP. The Ripple defendants have filed their response to the SEC's motion to seal its opposition to the Amici request to participate in Daubert hearing. The SEC's motion to seal, the Amici response and the Ripple defendants' response are below. Ripple and individual defendants disagreed with the reasons given in the SEC's seal request. The blockchain company noted that 4 of the 5 reasons given by the SEC in the request letter do not pose any threat to life. Based on this, Ripple urged the court not to allow the Securities and Exchange Commission to close all its objections, adding that the agency should publicly file those parts that do not contain confidential information that could jeopardize Mr. Doody's security. A few hours after that, Judge Annalisa Torres rejected the request of the Securities and Exchange Commission. #XRP community #SECGovV #Ripple #XRP. The court denies SEC's motion to seal and orders it to file by June 14 a redacted version of the brief and exhibits, under seal, redacting information, only to the extent necessary to safeguard information sought to be filed under seal. Quote, Judge Torres noted that she decided to reject the SEC's request to close her response because the issues raised by the agency in its motion relate only to certain information. Since only some of the information in the brief relates to the issues raised by the SEC, the court does not consider that sealing the brief is fully justified, Judge Torres ruled. The blockchain company called on the SEC to narrow down the sealing request because the agency's initial offer seemed clearly excessive. Quote, at Ripple's request, the Securities and Exchange Commission was ordered to submit by June 14, 2022, an edited version of all summaries and exhibits under seal, in which information is edited to the extent that it is necessary to protect the information that needs to be kept under seal. Quote, on June 14, 2022, the Securities and Exchange Commission must also submit a letter explaining the proposed corrections and indicating the evidence that the agency intends to seal. While everyone is waiting for the SEC to be forced to hand over Hinman's document, Deaton's lawyer said the agency would rather choose a settlement than make the document public. There has already been a lot of controversy around the documents of the former director of the Financial Corporation of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission William Hinman from 2018, as a result of which it was announced that Ethereum, ETH, is not a security. Ripple is convinced that this speech will put an end to the argument that its digital currency XRP is a security. However, all attempts to obtain the Hinman document have not yielded positive results, since the SEC does not plan to transfer the files to Ripple. Lawyer Deaton predicts a possible outcome. Lawyer John Deaton, who is seeking to represent 67,000 XRP investors in the upcoming expert dispute, expressed his opinion on the expected outcome of the fight for possession of documents for Hinman's speech. Following a conference between the parties this week, Deaton's lawyer noted that it is obvious that Judge Sarah Net Byrne will order the SEC to hand over Hinman's document to Ripple. Interestingly, the SEC's determination to continue withholding the document may give the holders of Ripple and XRP the breakthrough they need, which will put an end to a lawsuit that has lasted more than a year, lawyer Deaton added. Speaking live, Deaton's lawyer said that if the SEC is forced to submit a document by Judge Sarah Netburn, the agency will immediately demand a settlement rather than give Hinman's document to Ripple. These emails, these comments will never see the light of day outside the SEC office. If the SEC is forced to hand over these documents, then a settlement may occur. Quote, does the #SEC settle if they lose the next ruling? At John E. Deaton 1 gives it to you straight. However, if things do not go as the Ripple community expects, and Judge Netburn does not order the SEC to submit a document, the lawsuit will be sent directly to the summary procedure. Previously, John Deaton, who is acting on behalf of 67,300 XRP holders in this lawsuit, and to whom the court granted the status of amicus curiae, let. A friend of the court, filed a petition with the judge asking him to allow him to provide a brief note to the court. We are talking about filing a brief to the report of SEC expert Patrick Doody, who tried to prove that XRP investors were forced to buy tokens in 2013 in the hope of making a huge profit. This expert opinion was criticized by Deaton and other investors, stating that Doody probably did not talk to any XRP investor before coming to his conclusions. The court has already allowed the SEC to file an objection to Deaton's lawyer's request, but now the SEC has asked the court to keep the contents of its objection confidential. The Plaintiffs' Securities and Exchange Commission respectfully requests the court to order the sealing of the SEC letter against the petition of 6 XRP investors to submit a summary of the opinion of one of the SEC experts, Doody, an excerpt from a recent petition. The SEC believes that further additional public documents related to Doody's testimony may lead to some disturbing events. Quote, given the serious concerns indicated in the objection note, and since the Mavants are not parties to this litigation, the SEC will respectfully await the court's decision on this closure motion before providing the Mavants with a copy of its objection note, the SEC said. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Now it is time to reveal who is the lucky winner of our giveaway. We randomly selected one fan who fulfilled all the conditions, and the winner is Tom Moore. Congratulations, Tom Moore. So XRP Army, let's all congratulate Tom Moore in the comment section below, and tomorrow we will relaunch our weekly giveaway free 500 XRP. Now let's get back to the video. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.